to change speed of text to speech in Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Click on Settings at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then at the left side, scroll down and click on Accessibility. In Accessibility, scroll down, you'll find Text to Speech Rate. If you swipe circle at the left side, it will become slower, but if you swipe it to the right side, it will be faster. You can also click on preview to listen to the speech rate and simply select the one you prefer. And this is how to change speed of text to speech in Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.